Oh, you go.
Honorable Osoro.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I first want to correct the Honorable Owen Baya that I'm not called Mchengo.
You are called?
I'm not. He referred me as Mhe.Osoro, and I'm telling him it's not Mchengo, it's Onyego. My surname is actually Onyego and not Mchengo, as he's put it. But Honorable Speaker, ideally what the Deputy Majority Leader has said and has moved is largely the tradition in this House as far as motions and bills are concerned, that you need to give the mover of the bill adequate time to explain himself or herself, and that is 45 minutes like he's well put it, and also give preference on the leadership of the House, of course, to be able to also air their views as the leader of the minority and the leader of majority. So for that reason, Honorable Speaker, I beg to second. Thank you very much.
Honorable members, I now propose the question that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 97-1, this House orders that each speech in the debate on the bill sponsored by a committee and the leader of majority or the leader of minority be limited as follows. A maximum of 45 minutes for the mover in moving and 15 minutes in replying. A maximum of 30 minutes for the chairperson of the relevant committee if the bill is not sponsored by the relevant committee, and a maximum of 10 minutes for any other member speaking except the leader of majority party and the leader of minority party, who shall be limited to a maximum of 15 minutes each if the bill is not sponsored by either of them, and that priority in speaking be accorded to the leader of majority and the leader of minority and the chairperson of the relevant committee in that order. Okay, the mood of the